Welcome back to MVP Autos, your trusted place for the most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today we're diving into something truly exceptional, the official unveiling of the next generation 2025 Rolls Royce series. Rolls Royce has once again redefined luxury, elegance, and engineering brilliance with its new 2025 lineup. From the moment this masterpiece enters your view, it captures attention with its iconic design, bold grille, and the legendary spirit of ecstasy standing proud on the hood. This new generation maintains the timeless Rolls Royce DNA while embracing futuristic technology and design. Under the hood, the 2025 model comes with a refined hybrid V12 engine setup that delivers unmatched power with improved efficiency, while maintaining that signature silent, effortless driving experience. The driving dynamics are smoother than ever, thanks to an advanced suspension system and intelligent drive assistance technologies. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of a private luxury suite. With hand-stitched leather, custom wood trim, and a starlight headliner that creates a galaxy-like feel, the interior is designed to please the senses. The upgraded infotainment system is seamlessly integrated, offering full connectivity and voice command features, making every ride both comfortable and cutting-edge. The 2025 Rolls-Royce series also introduces new personalization options, allowing owners to tailor every detail to their personal taste. Whether it's custom paint, embroidery, or unique interior materials, everything is built to reflect the owner's identity. Stay tuned to MVP Autos as we bring you exclusive looks at this masterpiece from every angle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car reveals, reviews, and behind-the-scenes content. This is MVP Autos, where your automotive dreams come to life.